Hello, everybody. This is John and Mimi. We're here to draw names out of a beret. We have two $200 scholarships to give away today. Anybody who signed up for either France or Italy by yesterday or the Grand Tour, meaning both of them, was eligible for this drawing. So we have a beret over here. Here's the beret. It's got a bunch of names in it, as you can sort of see. And we're going to, this shouldn't take too long. We're going to hold this up and
I'm going to fluff here.
Mim is fluffing. Some of you will know what that means. So we have, I think one of us has just been fluffed. All right, I'm holding this up, and Mimi, if you would do the honors for the first one, and we will hold the name up to the camera.
All right. Is that right side up? Can you read it? You can't read it. Hold backwards.
Is it backwards? Dixie King.
Dixie King of California.
Dixie King of Bakersfield is winner number 1. Congratulations to Dixie.
Yay, Dixie.
$200 off. Okay. Now, Mimi's going to hold this, and I'm going to pick the next one. Oops, I grabbed 2. Sorry.
Doug Clifton.
Doug Clifton
of Kentucky.
Covington, Kentucky is
Go Doug.
Is this coming out backwards?
It is backwards. If you turn it around, will it read it through it? No, you get the back of a page.
All right. I don't know how. We're not, obviously have no idea what we're doing. But in any case, congratulations to Dixie and Doug. They will be getting $200 off. Doug is going to France, right?
Doug is going to France.
And Dixie is going to Italy, right?
Yes, and apparently it pays to have a D name.
Yeah, I guess so. So anyway, that's all they is. Thank you all for watching this exciting online live video on Facebook. And see you in the funny papers.